No bail for a man accused of killing a Vere Technical Schoolgirl.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
25-year-old Rushoi Brown, otherwise called Rushoi, who is accused of murdering a 16-year-old schoolgirl from Clarendon, was denied bail when he appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court on Monday, September 10. This was despite a passionate plea during a bail application by his attorney, who told the court that his client had denied any involvement in the August 14 killing of the teen, Vendaline Carol Anderson, with whom he allegedly had a relationship. It is reported that about 9 p.m. on August 14, Anderson, who was visiting relatives, was in a yard in Top Hill, St. Elizabeth, babysitting a child, when a dispute developed between her and Brown. Reports suggest that Brown went into a fit of rage after the teenage girl told him that she was breaking off their relationship. It is said that he stabbed her in the abdomen several times. She was rushed to hospital where she was pronounced dead. The two allegedly met in December of 2017 and a relationship developed between them. During the bail application, the attorney said that his client has been cooperating with the police, as he indicated that he had wanted to report to the police after hearing that he was a murder suspect. The attorney added that his client also gave the police 2 machetes and a knife which were at his house and the clothes that he was said to be wearing on the night of the incident. Brown's attorney also asked the court to dismiss reports in an antecedent that was read in court, which stated that his client has an aggressive nature and that family members were sometimes afraid of him. However, the prosecution objected to the bail application, stating that Brown has a violent nature and that he might be a flight risk. Bail was denied and Brown is scheduled to return to court on October 9. The court also heard that the case file was incomplete as there are several outstanding statements, including the post-mortem report.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.